Sine rule. So we're going to be doing sine rule for today's tutorial. Now sine rule simply states that a over sine A is equal to b over sine B is also equal to c over sine C. Now in our previous tutorials, I told you that small letters are used for sides, while capital letters are used for angle. So let's assume that this here is a triangle. This is my angle A, my angle B, and my angle C. So the opposite side, the side facing this angle here, is going to be the small b. The side facing this angle is going to be the small a, and the side facing this angle is going to be the small c. So these are the angles, and they are written in block letters, and these are the sides written in small letters. So what sine rule is simply saying is that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is also equal to C over sine C. And now this sine rule can be used when the triangle that you have is not a right angle triangle. So you don't use it for a right angle triangle. You only use it when the triangle that you have is not a right angled triangle. And then secondly, you can also use this sine rule when you are given two sides and the angle opposite one of the sides. So you can use it when you are given two sides and an angle opposite either of the sides. And then you are required to find the other angle. And also you can also make use of this sine rule when you are given two angles and one of the sides opposite the given angles. So when you are given two sides and an angle opposite either of the sides, and then you are required to find the other side, you can use sine rule. And also when you are given two angles and one side opposite either of the given angles and required to find the other one, you can also make use of sine rule. Now let me give for instance, or let me make this explanation clearer. This is a triangle, right? And this is my angle A, my angle B, and my angle C. So let's assume that for this triangle, I am given here to be X and given here to be Y. And I'm also given that this side is M. So when I am given this and I'm asked to find what is here, I can make use of sine rule. Also, if I'm given a triangle A, B, C, and I'm given that this is my M and this is my N, and I'm also given that this place is theta, and I'm required to find this angle here, I can also make use of sine rule. So these are the conditions for us to make use of sine rule. Maybe in our subsequent videos, I'm going to be solving questions that uses sine rule. Thank you.